हे क्या हुआ? पता नहीं यार, सब ठीक तो है ना? I'm not sure, I think I'm sad. I really hope things get better for you. But do you think there could be better words as well as phrases that you could use instead of I am sad or sad? Today, in this session of English Partner, we will be discussing about idioms that you could use instead of I am sad or sad. With me, Rida. अगर आप दुखी या उदास हो, you could just simply say I am feeling blue. The idiom is feeling blue. In the same way, अगर आप देख रहे हो किसी को कि they are unhappy, उनका मूड बहुत ही लो है, you can say down in the mouth. She is down in the mouth. We also can use down in the dump, which is quite similar to down in the mouth for the same reasons कि हाँ वो दुखी है, उनका मूड बहुत ही लो है. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कोई किसी का मजाक उड़ा रहा हो and they are actually feeling really sad and वो रोने लगे. So what exactly would you say? He reduced her into tears. The idiom here is reduce to tears. और अगर आपने रात भर रोया है and आपकी आंखें ऐसी फुल हुई हैं, that's nothing but you've cried your eyes out. The idiom here is cry one's eye out. A lot more of these and more will be coming into picture with English Partner, so don't miss out to tune in again with me, Rida. Sayonara. This is me, Rida Tarana, signing off.